I don't understand Mamelodi Sundowns supporters complaining about fatigue kule season. Last season idlalile Mamelodi Sundowns, the season prior to that under Rulani Mokwena, Mangoba Mniti, Pitso Musimani, they were playing week in week out, and because they were winning ngalezo inkatlezo akunamuntu complaining fatigue. Now that they fell short to TS Galaxy, all of a sudden fatigue now because they fell short to TS Galaxy. And then it's funny how there's always an excuse. A team enkulu mangathi adliwa, or a team enkulu is not doing well. Mamelodi Sundowns lost to TS Galaxy fair and square. They lost to TS Galaxy fair and square. And now the question at the depth at Mamelodi Sundowns has been tested and questioned kule season. Mamelodi Sundowns bebaqwala indawo amasupporter wakhona, Mamelodi Sundowns has so much depth nama analyst ngoba ama analyst wase South Africa manje lawa agcwele ku social media. Yeah, mawufuna team ene depth. Look at Mamelodi Sundowns. All of a sudden I say depth ngoba manje they fell short ku title race. All of a sudden I say depth manje because basheshe baphuma ku Nedbank Cup. All of a sudden I say depth manje because it seems Orlando Pirates is going to win the league. All of a sudden sebafuna complain ukuthi yeah no, why is it that Sundowns was playing a lot of games in one season? Thina besidlala ngama weekends sidlale during the week while other teams were resting. Yes, other teams were supposed to rest. Angina ben compete ama competition amaningi. Benfunani kanti bekumele wonke umuntu manje because Sundowns yona idlala week in week out, wonke amanye ama team mela forced ukuthi adlale week in week out. Kaizer Chiefs challenged them. Iba challenge the Chiefs. Orlando Pirates themselves challenged them. TS Galaxy ba dominated. Stellenbosch FC challenged them. Ipulukwane City as much as badliwe, but Ipulukwane City nayo somewhere ba challenge ba fit of time. So I don't understand this thing of Mamelodi Sundowns now complaining about fatigue all of a sudden. I don't understand this thing aka Miguel Cardoso sakazoba phethe manje kuma social media saka complain akhuluma ezinye izinto just because this season uzo lose league. Miguel Cardoso, this was his season. Kule season le from game 1 until the last game he was the coach. Akangenanga after coach Othile, akangenanga after coach Otheni, akangenanga after coach Otheni. Ungenile this season kwaba iseason yakhe and he failed. Sometimes accept defeat. Ngihlulekile, it's fine. For mina, a team like Mamelodi Sundowns has depth, but Miguel Cardoso chose not to play the players when it mattered most. You can't tell me Shubile, asina depth, the only number 6 we have is Tebogo Mokena, then you are disrespecting Ubatusu Obas. The only left back you have is Obri Mudiba. Then you are disrespecting of us Pasadine. Why did the management go all the way to Stellenbosch FC? Pasadine. Angithi when Jaden Adams wasn't having a good game, there was a replacement for Enabekanga Dali Marcelo Allende Nomkwen. All of a sudden Jaden Adams waphakamisa oyadlala. So I disagree with the statement ukuthi Sundowns players were fatigued. Sundowns has depth for days, as we always say. Ngikhumbula Sundowns idli Orbit College 2-0 kudlala bo Thato Sibiya bekudlala intwana they won that game for Mamelodi Sundowns. So if there's one team in the Betway Premiership in a player, Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns in a player. One team that has players is Mamelodi Sundowns. Miguel Cardoso failed to use the players. Miguel Cardoso fana nokuthi bamupe iFerrari ephelele enama spare parts ena yonke into bathi driver ndoda wahluleka ukudrive amaqedwe ufuna ukhala ukuthi ya mari engine ikhathele bamtshela bathi no ndoda sikuthengela ama engine ayi2. Why mabona ngathi le engine yakhathala ungayikhipha ufakele enye? Why did he not rest Mokoena when he had the chance to rest him? Why did he not rest Williams? Angithi ukhona Onyango mdala but une experience. Ukhona nalomfana bamthatha ku Chiefs. Ukhona. Why not play those guys? Give them game time now so that bajwayele ukudlala nabo so that by the time one player is injured then they get used to playing together. So iMamelodi Sundowns bangazozizela ngeexcuse elame la. Ayikho lento abasitshela yona. Ngoba badliwe bona all of a sudden soku fatigue. Akuna fatigue yokunuka. Badliwe fair and square bashayiwe. iRichards Bay ba challengeile. Stellenbosch ba challengeile. Chiefs iba challengeile. Bekudlalwa ikarate angithi they kicked back. So what? Ibabambile Chiefs. Pirates ibabambile. Ibabambile TS Galaxy. A TS Galaxy that lost 6-0 to Pirates, that lost 2-0 to Chiefs. There was a time in the season they lost almost 10 games in a row. Wafika Bernard Parker wathi hayi namhlanje. Namhlanje I'm writing a different script. So Mamelodi Sundowns were challenged this season. And nyawuza kunabantu abaningi bagcwele kuma social media bathi no, Mamelodi Sundowns ayidropangi performance. It's just that Orlando Pirates has improved. Nyasho ngithi ayikho lento le. Badropile performance. If bebangadropangi performance bebazoshaya TS Galaxy. Bebazoshaya TS Galaxy. Now, the challenge now, sifuna ukubabona ukuthi bayenza kanjani ku CAF. zizokhala manje bayahamba bayodlala iCAF. Mamelodi Sundowns does well under local coaches. Akuna coach esuka phesheya eke ya win iCAF ne Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns needs local coaches because it's local coaches who understand that shine piano. Ama local coaches are coach abazokwazi ukuscout umudawu bambone maybe lapha no ku Black Leopards but lo mageze. It's a local coach that can see Opri Mudiba shining at SuperSport United but lo agezela. It's a local coach that can see Tebza Mokoena shining but lo magezela. It's local coaches that can do that. Ngeke ungitshele ukuthi umuntu osuka le Portugal osuka le India osuka kuphi ozofika la eSouth Africa bese actually ukuthi ngibona uNdlovu adlala ku Golden Arrows akazogijima la. Vele bazohamba bayifuna ama player wangaphandle. Bazohamba bayifuna ukusayina ama Brazilian nani. uMiguel Cardoso bamsayinele yonke into wahluleka, he failed. Fair and square. Orlando Pirates is winning this league bafethu. Imamelodi Sundowns ingazo blame fatigue. Imamelodi Sundowns ingazo blame in abo referee banga blame in nani. Akuna fatigue ya nix. Abaqala ukuba in this situation. When it was working in their favor nabadlala ama game amaning bebathi we have the depth to do it. Now that namhlanje badliwe they don't have the depth anymore. Sabafuna question depth. Yiba bakhethu release abo Lubusa. They're the ones that chose to release Abu Lubusa. Lubusa would have played no Grand Kekana like game there. And on top of that, they signed. Bambile bayo sign abo khuluma indamani. Nangu umuntu nampule sale ngufikile lapha Sundowns. Why bangabadlalisi? Why bangabadlalisi? If you abona ukuthi okay no, kushubile some players have been playing a lot. Here are players nambile nina nayo kokotela abo Pirates, nayo kokotela abo TS Galaxy and took players. Now that you failed, you flayed. Ziplaymen nina bafethu. Ziplaymen nina bafethu ningazo thuka abantu la.